Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 lunch ideas that will take only 15 minutes and will get you at least 30 grams of protein. If you're a busy mom like me, I'm a mom, I have 4 kids, I do not want to spend an hour in the kitchen cooking a lunch for myself. That is simply unrealistic and ain't nobody got time for that. I am a foodie girl, so I like preparing yummy food, but I hate spending tons of time in the kitchen and having a bunch of things to clean up. So hopefully this will give you some practical ideas to just spice things up a little bit at home. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I share videos just like this one on a regular basis, and I also have all of my recipes and the calories and protein in the description below. Okay, let's get cooking. So today's lunch is going to be a Mexican-inspired bowl, and it's gonna have pre-cooked grilled chicken. So I actually just got this. And when I'm in a pinch and I don't have any cooked chicken breasts in my fridge, I find just buying like a packaged pre-cooked chicken breast is really convenient, especially on those busy days. So that's gonna be my main source of protein in the bowl, but I'm also gonna add a little bit of Greek yogurt, which will replace a higher fat, higher calorie, and lesser protein sour cream. So that's just a great swap that you can make. So I'm adding chicken, Greek yogurt. I'm also gonna add some black beans, which has a little bit of protein, lots of yummy ingredients. I will show you how I'm gonna make this. Time for some first bites. Let's see how she tastes. So many flavors happening right now. My mouth is having a party. Want a bite? Just kidding. You gotta make it yourself. Sorry, not sharing. For lunch today, I'm gonna be making a wrap. And when I make wraps, I typically will try to make them in a high protein wrap. A lot of grocery stores will actually carry healthier wraps with higher protein, and sometimes you just have to wander around a little bit to find them. I had to go to my organic section of my grocery store, and on one of the shelves were these wraps here. So these wraps actually have 8 grams of protein, which is pretty good. But if you don't see any on the shelves, you can always look in the freezer. Sometimes they are hidden there. And try to get a leaner lunch meat, something like a chicken or a turkey, which has less fat, lots of protein. Also, some other things that you can add to your wrap, things like cheese. I'm gonna be adding some feta cheese. Cheese does have protein, but it also has a lot of fat, which means a lot of calories. So I often will try to find a light cheese, which will still have lots of protein, just have less fat, less calories. Other things that you can add to your wrap, which will help it have a little bit more protein. Chickpeas, they are a decent source of protein, so I'm gonna be using chickpeas, and I'm also gonna use hummus on my wrap instead of mayonnaise. And there's a few other ingredients that I'm gonna add today to my wrap to just spice it up a little bit and make it tastier. I'll show you how I make it. Now, if I'm being completely honest, the only problem with these high protein wraps, they're typically a little bit on the small side and they can be a little bit crumbly. So you do have to be careful when eating them that they don't fall apart. I'm gonna give it my best shot. I think it'll be okay. Come on, wrap. Don't fall apart. We got this, we got this.
Don't fall apart. We got this, we got this. Come on, wrap.
So lunch today is going to be a smoked salmon salad, and honestly guys, this salad has so much flavor. It has been my obsession over the past week. It has so many good ingredients. It's got a little bit of like an Asian vibe. I just love everything about this salad, so I'll show you how I put it together. I cannot wait to eat this. I cannot wait. All right, let's have a taste. I don't think I've ever, oh my goodness, something just got destroyed in my house. I don't wanna know, I don't wanna know. The toasted sesame oil with this is just, the perfect combination of flavors. we're doing this right here. I don't know if you can appreciate that. You see the bottom? Oh, perfect crunch, everything. So good, perfection. For lunch today, I'm gonna make a fall-inspired salad. I eat a lot of salads during the week. I feel like salads are just the most convenient, easy, simple lunch idea, and you can keep it interesting by just switching up, obviously, what you put on your salad. So I'm gonna make a fall-inspired salad because I'm not ready to say goodbye to fall yet. Clearly, I have my cozy fall sweater on. I'm hanging on to these last days with everything in me. So I'm gonna use spinach again because I have a ton of spinach in my fridge. If you have other lettuce, obviously you can use whatever you have. And I'm gonna be boiling up some eggs because hard-boiled eggs on salad are just so good. And just a note, with hard-boiled eggs, I'm gonna use 1 whole egg and then I'm gonna use a couple of egg whites because the whole egg itself has a little bit more fat. And if I'm trying to get more protein without all of the fat, the egg whites are just a perfect source of pure protein. So that's one hack that I use a lot to get more protein without a ton more calories and fat. And for my dressing, I'm simply just gonna drizzle some olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Some days, the simpler, the better, and I feel like that is a perfect dressing. You don't really need much else. I'll show you how I put it together. Oh my goodness, what is happening here? That one went so much better. I hope you found one of those 5 lunch ideas helpful or inspirational in some way. And let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited to try or which one looks the best in your opinion. And if you're looking for some breakfast ideas, I recently shared a video with 5 high protein healthy breakfast ideas as well, which I will put right here so it's easy for you to find. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe because I love having you guys part of my community and I look forward to seeing you guys each week. Bye for now.